So some of you may be asking or saying something about my sweater, UFC. Oh, you're wearing that thing again. Well, don't typically wear this, but one of our good customers and our buddy Uriah Hall fights October 31st, so we're supporting them, you know. But what I want to talk about too while we're here is Tom's Trackhawk is getting a brand new exhaust system from our buddies Chad, also known for owning Black Ops Auto Works. He has created a new exhaust system for the Trackhawks, so we're going to take a look at it because we're going to be one of the first few that have it, and it's called PURR exhaust. Take a look at this. Full titanium exhaust system, dual pipe, logo engraved on the top. Beautiful exhaust system. Take a look at this whole setup. All titanium, all through here. So the heaviest part, what I've got right here is our handy dandy scale we use for getting weights for engines. So let's take a look at this. This has a bag of clamps used to put it all together. 2 pounds, 10.9 ounces. Okay. Bag of clamps. Let's grab what we think, like this right here. Here's the X pipe. Maybe 4 pounds total. 4 pounds, 14 ounces. 4-pound X-pipe exhaust system. That's crazy. Take a look at this with the tips. £1 pound. And folks, when I tell you that this exhaust system factory that we pull off has to at least be 50 pounds, I ain't kidding. It's probably more than that. I don't think I have a scale big enough to weigh an entire exhaust, but yeah, let's see. See this one, not too. We're maybe 10 pounds total in an exhaust system. So you want to talk about a weight savings as well as a sound when we fire this thing up. I'll pair it along with the El Chapo series cam. Better be careful. This will make you have an unexpected kid.